Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, I will urge you to kindly subscribe to my channel. On this platform, I will be sharing with you some easy way and some 3 steps to take, or some 3 easy steps to do to enable you to earn Google AdSense each and every day. AdSense is worldwide, and if only you have AdSense approved on your website, with my 3 easy steps, you can get at least $10 each and every day. At least $10 each and every day. Okay, I'll not lie to you that you can make $10,000 or $1,000 each and every day. No, I'm real, and I need to let you know what's on the table. I need to let you know what's real, because I can't come here and be lying to people whilst I know what I'm telling them is a big lie. Okay, so let's go straight to our business for the day. So on today's tutorial, I'd like to let you know that Google AdSense, although sometimes it takes so much time for you to even get $1 or $2, there are ways and means you can also get Google AdSense each and every day. At least $10 you get it. Each and every day, at least $10 you can get $10 each and every day. That's the minimum. Okay, it depends on how aggressive you are. You can get from $10 upwards, but I can't lie to you that you get $100 a day or $1,000 a day. No, because there's a saying that a little drops make a mighty ocean. So example, every day, if you can get $10 every day, a month is how much? $300 is cool. At least you can use it to pay your bills, or you can use it to do other stuff of yours. Sorry for the notification that keeps popping up. So let's go back to the tutorials for the day. So because here is World Wide Web, everybody can get to YouTube and find out these tricks that I have. I'll not like to put it here, because I'll not like that the tutorials will get to the wrong hands, or maybe Google people will find out and they will blacklist the ways and means that we can use to get money on Google AdSense. So I'll urge you that you watch the tutorial carefully. Okay, so today, this is my Google AdSense platform or dashboard. So when I scroll down, you can see that my CPC is 0.58. It's almost $1. Okay, and today I've been busy the whole day. It's just this evening that I just logged on. So within 30 minutes, I've generated $4.68. Okay, $4.68. Okay, so let me refresh my page so that you get to know that I'm not lying to you, and this is real. Some people will not refresh their page. Okay, so today so far 4.68, because I'm very busy guy. I'm very business person, and sometimes I don't really get time to come on here and do this stuff. But once in a while, when I'm less busy, I come up here and I try to do a few tricks of mine to get Google AdSense earnings. So if you can check, balance so far is $124.25. That's what they'll be paying me by 21st of this month. So today so far I have $4.68. Yesterday I was busy. I didn't worry out to check out here to do few stuffs. Okay, so with these tricks that I have, you could get at least $10, because it's now I'm in Ghana now, and it's now 8 o'clock. So from now to 12, I can get $10 to $20. Okay, and when you repeat this each and every day, at least by the end of the month, you can target about $300 to $400. It's a cool chop. At least even if you are busy some days and you can't do it, you can get at least $100 guaranteed, that you get $100 each and every month. Okay, fine. So as I'm saying, when you come down here, um my countries, top countries, is United States and Ghana. Okay, so my CPC is 0.58, and my page views is 40, and my clicks is 8 clicks, and I have $4.68. So let's cut everything short. So what I'm trying to say is that because I would not like to expose the tricks that I have to that enable me to get Google AdSense each and every day. Sometimes you need to upload so much content before you even get $1.01 or $1. It's heartbreaking. Okay, and I'll urge you to subscribe to my channel. After subscribing to my channel, go to the description box. After subscribing to my channel, click on the notification bell, so that anytime I drop a new tutorial video on AdSense, you will be notified and you can come and watch, so that we can get to make money together. Okay, so before I'll go off, I would like you to go down to the description box. On the description box, I've put my WhatsApp number there. Okay, my WhatsApp number there. Contact me directly on my WhatsApp number, my personal WhatsApp number. When you contact me, I will show you just three tricks that can help you to get Google AdSense earnings each and every day, at least $10 to $20. You are guaranteed, depending on how seriousness you are. It's just 3 steps. With these 3 steps, you are assured of Google AdSense earnings each and every day. So if you are serious and you really want to earn Google AdSense each and every day, I'll urge you to go down to the description box. My WhatsApp number is there. Click on the link and chat me directly on WhatsApp, so that I'll get to share with you. Okay, I'll get to share with you. Thank you very much, and thanks for your time. Before you go off, I'd like you to subscribe to my channel. After subscribing to my channel, click on the notification bell. And thank you so much for your precious time.